back to the channel. I'm Velitra and I am the crafty black girl. So you guys, today's video we are back making baskets, and today we are making a basket for a 1-year-old. So I got this from Walgreens, little piano xylophone gift. This was one that was on clearance for $3.49. So it was perfect for this basket because I'm like, what do I get for a 1-year-old? And I'm glad I already had this. So I went to Dollar Tree, grabbed a couple things to put with it so that we can still stay in a reasonable spending point. And so I got that big egg, put a little bunny in there, and then those little lollipop candies I got, of course, a pack from Dollar Tree. So I just put some lollipops in there for the baby so that, you know, babies can't really eat hard candy, they'll choke. So we went with lollipops for this basket. And then I'm just going to go ahead and attach the egg to one side of the top of this box. And I was just not sure how I wanted to put it together. So this is pretty much what I came up with. And then I'm going to go ahead and put her cup on the other side. This little cup was perfect, has a little straw, so I was like, yeah, let's do it. So I'm just attaching the cup and the egg together so that it does not come apart. And I thought these bunny ears would be so cute for a baby. She would probably enjoy that. And then I'm just going to use a little bit of shred, and I'm going to use these lollipops that I got for Valentine's. The whole pack was 50 cents. So you guys, yeah, I won on that. So then I'm just going to stuff some chocolate in the eggs and just place them. And then I had this little tutu from Easter last year. I believe I paid like 10 cents for that because it was a part of the clearance at Walmart. And then I just put it right on the back so she can wear her little tutu and her bunny ears for Easter. So I'm just going to go ahead and cover up the back of the basket like I normally do, you guys. Y'all already know how this goes if you already watched the channel. But if you're new to the channel, this is how I cover the back of the basket so you can't see the skewers and all the tape and things like that, just to make it look good. And then we're going to go ahead and season the basket and add another little lollipop and wrap it up. So this is the basket that we have, and this was for a 1-year-old. If you guys think this was a good idea, give it a thumbs up. This basket went for $30. So yeah, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, stay crafty.